ECC.
No.
Yep.
No.
Well, this is a fat rip.
No.
You heard what I heard.
I heard it.
Going down.
No. Oh, and what the? It's a national mod. This was the Lexan. This is like a new national mod.
Yep.
Basement.
Ew.
Basement. Going up.
Oh man.
Fourth floor. Going down.
Pretty nice motor.
Yeah. I wonder what the other one looks like.
We'll see. So originally this was a Lexan, and the one next to this was replaced by Northern.
First floor. Going up.
I like these culverins with the rings around them.
I think that one's broken.
Oh. Nope, that's here.
Oh.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, see this
Yeah, see, this one's different.
This one doesn't go down. What?
This one is hydro.
Fourth floor.
Alright.
Going down.
Ah,
Going
what the
down.
heck?
Door.
Well, this is weird. Ooh.
Would have been even weirder if they were still a Lexan and a Northern.
Was this one always a Hydra?
I think
Must have
so.
been.
Well, and clearly, at some point, it used to go down to the basement. Because it says it on the indicator.
We have to investigate down there.
And there might have been a third car also.
First floor.
Oh, it still has the doors.
Whoa. That is weird. Yeah, it still has the door. Look, they like...
Huh.
So it was an elevator, but there's no like place for the indicator.
Yeah, and look at this. This one used to go down the basement. But no longer.
Alright.